Hello and welcome to this breathwork session. In this session, you're going to know your breath, and through that, you're going to inspect your willpower. So we are going to keep the practice very simple and practical. So I would like to invite you to get yourself ready for our breathwork practice. To start with the breath work, the first thing is that we will warm up the body a bit. We are going to stimulate our spine, and then we are going to sit down either on the mat with the cushion or on the couch or on a chair. So let's get it started. Starting first, shoulders and your wrist are in straight line. When you inhale, you're rising up with your head and hips. Exhale, you're making a hump on the back and moving the hips in, head down. Inhale, rising up, and exhale, going down. Finding a rhythm for about 30 seconds. Inhale fully up. And when you're breathing in and out, having the awareness at your throat center, and from here the sound is coming, this oceanic sound, like the waves are meeting the shores. Inhale up and exhale down. Having this warm up of your back, warm up of your shoulders, your hips, and getting in tune with your breath has a tremendous benefit in your breathwork practice. Inhale going up and exhale going down. Second last time, inhale up, exhale down. Last one when you're ready, inhale rising up and exhale going down. Once you're done here, open your knees wide and rest in Balasana. When you're resting in Balasana, let your hand stretch outward, your eyes are closed, your shoulders are relaxed, and you're intentionally breathing deep down to your lower belly space. You're making sure that throughout the practice you are comfortable, and at the same time you are alert, having the spine straight but not like a soldier, just straight and relaxed. Whether you are on your mat, whether you're having a cushion, or you are on your nice and cozy couch, or you're sitting on a chair. So without any further ado, let's get started with your first breathwork session. Your palms are pressing onto the knee, and just let your shoulder totally drop, and gently you close your eyes. As you close your eyes, bring a smile from the corner of your lips and the corner of your eyes, and get in tune with your breath. What it means is that you're inhaling and exhaling deep and consciously. Make sure your breathing happening deep down to your navel center and having this joyful smile. Don't worry, nobody's watching you. Even I have my eyes closed. You're breathing in, breathing out deep, deep down to your lower belly space. Once you are in tune with your breath, notice both your sitting bones, both your hips equally pressed, so it means you're balanced. Then have the awareness in your spine, that is straight. Then have the awareness in your shoulders as well, not holding any tension, they are relaxed. Then have the awareness in your face, you're smiling joyfully, your chin not too down, neither too up, right in the center at the horizon. Once you are in tune with your body and with your breath, we're starting with our first breath work. In that, you're inhaling passionately from the nose, as like you're inhaling the fragrance of your favorite flowers. Then holding this breath in the body, make sure your shoulders are not tight. When you're holding the breath, you're not having a tensed body, you're relaxed, and then you exhale from your mouth like you're whistling. This long exhalation. Once again, inhaling from the nose, passionately and deeply. Hold the breath in. In the beginning, if you're able to hold for about 2, 3, 4 or 5 seconds, that's more than enough. And then you exhale from your mouth, prolonged breath like you're whistling. You're letting it go. After the exhalation, hold the breath out for half a second, and then you inhale, holding this breath in the body. Stay still. Observe your body filled with the life force, and then exhale from your mouth. As you're exhaling, making a whistling face and rounding your lips, your shoulders also drop and melting. You're letting go fully. Make sure your lower belly is relaxed throughout the practice. Inhaling, holding for about 3 to 5 seconds. It depends on your capacity. And exhale from your mouth like you are whistling. Now last 3 times, find your own rhythm. Inhaling, holding for about 3 to 5 seconds, exhaling, prolong, rounding your lip, and as like you are whistling, exhaling, prolong. So this is a beginner's and a starter's breath work. And do not underestimate the power of this breath work. It's very simple, it seems very easy, but you're finding it get you in tune with your body. You automatically start to feel so calm and relaxed. As you're holding the breath, it has the huge impact on your willpower as well. As you're exhaling by you're rounding your lips and exhaling from your mouth, you are de-stressing your chest. So that way the diaphragm, the throat and the middle diaphragm start to dilate. You start to increase your breathing capacity. Your shoulders start to relax. So the last time, let's do it together. Inhale, holding this breath, having this joyous smile from the corner of your lips and the corner of your eyes. Exhaling from your mouth. Here we are completing our first breath work. With your eyes closed, you're breathing from your nose, you're consciously inhaling and exhaling deep. Have this awareness with your breath, that every breath you're taking that has this expansiveness feeling, as like you're inflating and deflating with every exhalation. Every breath with the expression and the feeling of self-love. Feel the change in your body and your mind. As you start to grow into your practice, you can prolong this breath work. It means that you inhale and then hold the breath longer than usual, and then exhaling very, very long as well. Now we are stepping forward and entering into the second breath work. Now, after you exhale, you're inhaling in 2 equal halves. Inhale half from the nose, inhale the second half from the nose. Holding the breath fully, shoulders are relaxed, open chest, relaxed belly, posture straight and relaxed, holding the breath, and then you exhale from your throat center like you're letting it go. Once you're done, inhale in 2 equal halves, holding the breath for about 3 to 5 seconds and letting go from your throat center. With a sigh, letting it go fully. Inhale in 2 equal halves. Do not hesitate to make this sound. It has huge impact on your thyroid gland. It has huge impact on your Jalandhar Bandh, on your throat diaphragm, your middle diaphragm and the lower diaphragm. It starts to stimulate the diaphragm and dilate them, and this has huge impact on your vagus nerve. Keep on doing. Inhale half, the second half, holding the breath. While you're holding the breath, you're smiling joyfully and you're exhaling and letting go. And as you do so, your shoulders and your spine drops. Inhale half, inhale second half, holding the breath, Holding the breath, straight spine, smiling joyfully, and letting go. Fully letting go. Whatever you're holding, you are letting it go. Inhale half, the second half. Make sure your pelvic area, your lower belly is relaxed and letting go. 3 more times we're going to do. Inhale half, the second half, holding the breath, and you're letting it go fully. Full and completely, no breath left over. Inhale half, the second half. Last time, inhale half, the second half. Holding the breath for about 5 seconds and letting go. Joyfully smiling and consciously breathing just with your nose and letting this experience get absorbed in the body and your mind, and noticing how calm and relaxed you're feeling. When you're keeping this joyful smile, everything becomes effortless and you enjoy the process of breath work. This becomes so interesting and so sweet for you when you're keeping this joyful smile. As you're inhaling and exhaling deep and consciously and getting this beautiful feeling of your body, now moving forward with our third pranayama, which is that we are going to inhale in equal 3 parts and exhaling with a sigh. A little bit rapid, so not holding the breath for long, but doing it rapidly. So exhale fully, 3 equal halves. Inhale, inhale second, inhale third, hold, and then inhale in 3 parts. Inhale, hold, inhale, hold, inhale, hold, and let go. Inhale, hold, inhale, hold, inhale, hold, let go. 5 more times. Let's do it together. Inhale. Second last time. Last time. Letting go fully. Breathing just with your nose, noticing this change in the body, this electrical feeling in the body, noticing this wakefulness in your body, in your mind. And let the breathing be very, very gentle, as like your nostril don't even know you're inhaling or exhaling. This calm and gentle deep breathing. And noticing how your body filled with this powerful awareness. Now, the same breath work, rapidly, 10 times. Let's do it together. After the exhalation, inhale in 3 parts, holding for a fraction of a second and exhaling and let go. So, let's get it started. Last one. Letting it go. Hold the breath out, noticing your body, noticing your posture that is straight and relaxed, noticing your joyful smile, and then having this deep, conscious and very gentle breathing. With every new breath, you're bringing back the awareness on your physical body, noticing the touch of the clothes on the skin, hearing the sounds of your room, your house, your neighborhood, without naming or labeling them. Noticing the temperature of your body and bringing back with you this calmness, this peacefulness. And congratulating yourself for completing this session of your breath work. You can always come back to this same session and do it until you master it fully and completely. Slowly bring your palms in front of the heart center. Rub your palms. Bring your warm palms on top of the closed eyes. Completely seal your eyes with your warm palms, noticing this space behind the closed eyes. This vast space. The awareness totally merge into that, like a drop of water into the ocean. And your true self reveals, which is infinitely peaceful and ever blissful. Noticing this awareness, this inner knowing, and bringing it back with you. By slowly bringing the hands down, take your time to open your eyes. How was it for you? To let me know in the comment section what was the most challenging part of the breath work. And also let me know in the comment section what you would like to know more about. Thank you for joining me for this breath work. So I wish you all the very best. Stay tuned and I will see you in the next session. Until then, you take care. Bye.